Well, first, in case you didn't notice, hey, poor guy here. Look at his shirt. That's right. I got one. Don got one. He had a Memorial Day sale. If you don't know this guy, look him up. Black Iowa. Uh, these are only 20 bucks for two, by the way, and we didn't have to pay for shipping. Came yesterday. Thanks, Black Iowa, even though I know your real name. This is what we're going with today. Rastelli, the Rastelli family. It's a promise. Our guarantee. Yeah. Okay, so these are frozen burgers. These were actually sent to us from my mother. I believe she got them on QVC. You can look, if you want to look this up on YouTube, most of the videos that you'll find are QVC videos. So these are Black Angus beef chuck and ribeye craft burgers. Okay, so they come frozen, obviously, and you cook them from frozen. There's 12 in here. Yes, indeed. And it comes with some seasoning, which we'll open that up and put it in a little bowl, and we'll try it out. So we've never had these. We're excited about them. You cook from frozen. Can be cooked from frozen or thawed state. Cooked to an internal temperature of 165 or until all pink is gone from the interior and olive juices. Okay, they're supposed to be, let's see, grill or broil 5 to 6 minutes. Pan fry 6 to 8 minutes. 165 internal temperature is what we're looking for. So what we're going to do for the videos, we're going to just do one of each. And I'm going to do one on a Blackstone, and I'm going to do one over some charcoal on the Acorn Junior. Because we're going to eat these for dinner. We're going to cook up all 12 of them for dinner, but we wanted to give these a try. They look good, and they're crafted, and they're supposed to be even well done, because if there's no pink or no juices, they're going to be well done. They're supposed to be tender and juicy. I don't know how that's going to work. Hopefully it'll work out pretty well. We do thank Mom for these. Thank you. We're going to go out. I'm going to get these things fired up. We're going to do a Blackstone, and we're going to do over some charcoal to see which one we like and how we're going to cook them for supper. We'll put some seasoning on it. And I think that's all I got right now. So let me get things fired up outside, and we'll get going. Peace. Hey, we're outside, finally. Got a little interruption there. Let's open these burgers up. They come individually vacuum packed. Let's see, they don't have a little pull tab or anything. These have been sitting out, so they're not completely frozen. They haven't been sitting out here, but they've been in the house. Oh, we got some flowers landing on the Blackstone. Blackstone's up to about 300. And so I think pretty much what it says, I don't remember the directions, to be honest with you. If you ever buy these, they come with directions. I think it's like 6 to 8 minutes on each side for this, and I don't remember. Basically, they want you to get it to 165 internal, so that's what we're going to shoot for. This is real hot, so we're just going to throw that on there. When I get ready to flip these, I'm going to go ahead and put the spices on that came with it. Garlic, salt, onion, some added spices that it does not list in the ingredients for that spice packet. Okay, these are still frozen. We're interested to see, number one, what they taste like and what we would prefer to have for dinner, off the Blackstone or over the charcoals. Oh, by the charcoal right here. Yeah, it's upside down. I got this at one of my local Dollar Generals. It had a rip in it, so I got it for like $4 for a whole bag. I got another bag in there, so I was like, why not? Perfect for grilling burgers and hots and whatnot. There's my lizard. Hello, lizard. Okay, well, I think that's about it until we get these cooked up. I'll let you know how long they took. Hold on a second. Got a pickup truck? Got a tractor. Oh, yeah. Oklahoma. Well, there's fields all over the place, right? Gotta hand it to those people. They work hard. Farmers work hard. If it wasn't for farmers, we wouldn't have these. That's right. Right on. All right, we'll be back here in a little bit. Peace. Okay, there's our burgers. Listen, we got these buns. As you can see, they're quite a bit more I don't know, bigger than the burgers. The burgers, they said they would puff up. They did shrink. So I guess what we're interested all about is the flavor of these crafted burgers by, what is that? Rostelli's. This is the one off the charcoal. And this is the one off the Blackstone. So let's cut these open. It was 165 degrees, like suggested. So how do they look? Okay, they're cooked. They're cooked. I know a lot of people like their burgers well done, or medium, rare, whatever. But we're going with the directions on these. Okay, I can tell you right now that the one in the coals is tougher than the one in the Blackstone. They took longer than 6 to 8 minutes to get to the internal temperature that they requested on the package. They do smell good. They smell beefy. We're not going to put any condiments on these. We're just going to go ahead and give these a try.
Hey, which one are you gonna try first?
At this point, I don't even know what we're doing for the thumbnail. Here's the spice that came with it, like I said. Okay, everybody.
Should we try this first?
Want to try the Blackstone first?
Okay. Is this spice supposed to be on it? Or did you already
I put the spice on
Okay.
it when I flipped it once.
I can smell
It
it.
smells good.
Okay, cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Wow.
Kind of reminds me of meatloaf.
Okay,
Yeah?
well,
I get that.
Because the thickness.
it has a good beef flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes
That's
good.
beefy.
Mm.
I like the Rostelli seasoning.
Now, if any of you are curious about these burgers, and you want to watch the QVC videos, that, like I said, if you go and search this name, and there's a lot of QVC videos on YouTube, it's a little bit different picture. The flavor of these burgers is good. It's just not what we are used to. We like smash burgers.
This is charcoal.
This is over the coals. It's tougher. It's definitely tougher. Okay.
I prefer the flavor though.
Drier.
Here's our-
We cooked them well done. I get it. But like I'm saying, just out of curiosity, if anybody's curious about this video at all, go and look at the QVC.
But the one on the Blackstone is juicier. You can see
Yeah,
the
it is
juices.
juicier. And they both got to 165. So they're both right on the money like the package. So my suggestion is if you want a juicy burger and you don't mind medium to medium rare, that's the way to go. They'll be a lot better. But we followed the directions on the box to give it the full review of these, I guess. All right, we're gonna figure out what we want to do for dinner. I think we'll probably go with the Blackstone. I don't know what to do about the buns.
Just peel it off. Peel the bread.
We got some provolones.
I have an idea.
Aiden's got an idea. We're gonna eat these for supper regardless because it's what we got, and my mom sent them to us. Remember, Black Iowa. If you don't know this fellow, go check him out. He's my boy. All right, I think that's all we got. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Peace.